그대 잠깐 눈을 붙일 때 나는 마음에 물을 붙여요. 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿. 그대 차가운 몸을 녹일 때 나는 초콜릿을 녹여요. 비밀의 나만의 초콜릿.
Hi everyone, welcome to Rashmi's Vlog Live. So today's video is something interesting. It's because I have recorded a haul video for skincare. These skincare items are upgraded and none of the brand, I never tried it. Everything is like natural Ayurvedic stuff related only. I didn't go for any chemical things because my skin is like completely hypersensitive. You can see it, and due to the excess of dryness, I got pigmentations around my mouth area, and I needed badly that I need some skincare because I used to use all the skincare like natural things at home itself. I don't prefer to go, but this time I have bought few not, still I need to get few which are like stuck in stuck in the lockdown, so I may get it little lately. When I get, I'll do the updated skincare version, and these are all natural, and I love the texture and everything. If you want anything related, queries related to the vaccine or COVID-19, how it works, like how the double mutation, how the triple mutation works, if a person who got already COVID and if they vaccinated again, if they get COVID or not, anything related to the details of COVID-19, you can text or comment below. I'll do a detailed video on that also. Let's get into this video. Here is my skincare haul, which I bought it in a bulky through Nykaa, but I got it in separate packages. Some of them I used, some of them is like fresh, and I'll add the clip for how I sanitized it. Triple the sanitization I have done. Let's get into this video. Let me start with the range of Kumkumadi Thailam range. I got this one in Veda. This one is a Kumkumadi scrub, face scrub. I have to get few packages which is stock due to lockdown. So this is the scrub. Here is the scrub particle. So this is the Kumkumadi Thailam face scrub, face and body scrub. The cost is almost 500, but the best one. And this one is Ayurvedic. I actually have to tell that I use Kumkumadi Thailam for so many years. Even in my school times, I used to use Kumkumadi Thailam. The original one, I think it will be comes in a tube, almost 60 to 100 range only. I get it from Imcops. From that government Imcops I used to get, but after shifting to this new house, I couldn't find out, so I was searching. The original Kumkumadi Thailam won't be that costly. It will be almost around like I said, it's 100 only. The tube will be. So this one, Kumkumadi Leapam Nourishing Beauty Balm. This is a balm. If you want to know how the original Kumkumadi Thailam is, after you apply a Kumkumadi Thailam, that particular area will be like you will start getting sweat or heat generated, or like you'll start sweating. Okay, that's how that is a true Kumkumadi Thailam. Original one will be it will sweat. You will start sweating. I'll add the clip here. If possible, today I'll take a video and I'll attach the clip here. This is the original one, and I feel happy for. I never purchased anything from this Ayurvedic. So this is the first time I bought, and it's 350. But the best purchase I feel. And the same brand, I bought Kumkumadi Skin Brightening Gel. Actually, when I was trying to record this video, I mistakenly, this bottle fell down. So it got cracked and inside it got little shaky. This is the gel, Kumkumadi gel. I feel so good whenever I'm applying it. The same formula only. I feel like, how I can say it, exact Kumkumadi Thailam. If people who use the pungent of saffron, you can feel it in this. I bought one from Subhav. This is a luxury brand, I guess so, because I got it in black luxury box only from Nykaa. So this is almost 500 rupees. This lip balm is contained beetroot and coconut oil. Opted this, so it will be mentioned here, extraction of coconut oil and beetroot. Hope you can understand why they gave me in luxury box. It's because this 5 grams is almost 500 rupees. I feel so good when I'm applying this. I feel like how you used to apply, I used to apply coconut oil only for my chapped lips or dry lips, because since I have a dry skin issue, I'm facing it. It gives a tint, natural beetroot tint. You can taste or smell beetroot and coconut in this, and lightweight. You won't feel like you have applied something. It's like you have applied oil, means how it will appears. In that way only feel. One of the best purchase I feel. After Laneige, I feel this is the best. More than Laneige, this is the best, I feel. I love the packaging also. How cute is this? So earthy and so nature the carton looks like. Lip balm over. Now I'll jump into the lip scrub. So I bought from Bilva. This lip scrub is there any flavor in this? Nah, this one is organic shea butter, avocado oil, almond oil, lemon essential oil, organic sugar, bee wax, peppermint essential oil. All you can feel is when you apply this on your lips, it's like beautiful aroma of peppermint oil and lemon oil. You know, so good. So it's not that harsh. It's not that like oh it will tear off my lips. Nothing like that. It's so. The texture is so creamy and softy texture. Though it's a scrub, it's not the harsh scrub. Both this one also. This is also not the harsh scrub. You won't feel like harshly. It will be like very gentle and very soft, and it does the job what it should do. And I love the packaging in the tin. Best thing is I use my backside of my brush, the tongue cleaner. With that I scrub my lips with this one. After you scrub and after you wash it right with water, you will have a natural oil content in your lips. Like it will give you a protective barrier that it's not like it will dry your face or lips. It gives a good protection to your lips. Let me jump into Khadi Nature, because Khadi Natural is what I bought huge. Few more packages are there. Still I have to get it. I'll be getting it pretty soon after they give exception to the delivery people. I guess for Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, etc. So this one is rose and apricot walnut scrub, face scrub, but you can use it for body also. Like I have tried this one also, the same way I can say the Kumkumadi Thailam and Bilvam scrub. These three are so gentle and so soft. You won't feel like you are tearing your skin in that way. So good and so soothing. The smell is like it's mentioned rose and apricot, and you feel like after you scrub, you feel the rose smell in this. Khadi almond and kumkum butter. This is 100 grams. I thought first I'll get the 100 grams and check it out how it is. Then I'll go for 200 grams in this both. Still, I haven't peeled it. So buttery texture. I guess you can see it. Smells so amazing. I'm seriously saying I love the smell. First impression is the best one for this. Neem, basil and mint facial. It's 50 grams. You get it in this way, and I love this. The moment I'm just this one and a few things I got later only. So first this one came in first batch, so I tried it and I feel like as if I applied a mint texture on my face, and so rejuvenating, and so I feel like so fresh, I wanna say, when I apply this neem and basil and mint face pack. This one is like I said, it's a face pack, and this one is a face gel, a massage gel, aloe vera, neem and basil, mint. I guess mint also included in this, I guess so, I don't know exactly. Okay, look at the texture. It's the same way, this is how it smells. It's the same exact smell you can see in this also, and I feel so good when I apply this. I feel like so fresh and rejuvenate. Here comes to my favorite one. Everything is new. I never tried anything, any single thing from these brands. Whatever I bought, this is the first time. Like I used to try to use all natural one only, but natural products I'll prepare at home and do, but being a lazy, I needed something, so what I did is I bought everything from these kind of brands. And this one is a herbal moisturizer, Khadi Rose and Honey. Oh my god, the texture and the feel, you know, the aroma is so good that wait, I'll take teeny tiny. I took a lot. It's okay, no problem, I can manage it. So, you know, the smell is so amazing. Like I can't say, I can't describe it, but you know, it gives a nice texture to your skin. Soothing texture, you will get it. You know, after I applied, I tried checking it. I never got any skin dryness or anything. It felt so good while I applied this one. Let me jump into these three. I have to get one more from this category. So this one is Khadi's Naturals Herbal Thermo Herb. Herbal Thermo Herb, Gold Thermo Herb. Okay, this is a gold one. They added a Sorana Bashmum and the goat milk is there in this, the extraction, everything. So I haven't tried it. This is what I got it. This is how it appears, because when I received the package, this is the final packages I got, and I can see the glittery substance inside this, definitely the gold one. And I have to get in this range a gel, a massage gel, which I couldn't get it. I have to get. So two more things are there. Khadi Gold. This one is a massage cream. Just peel this one to see how it is. How the texture is it? Because it's said gold, so I need to know. That's why I'm a little curious. This is how it appears. I will try this tomorrow, Sunday. A full lockdown is a pamper day for me. This one is Khadi's again gold peel off mask, herbal peel off mask. Same way to check what is there inside. I try to peel it and check. This is how it appears. It's a gold dust particles only. I haven't tried it. I will be trying it, saving it to Sunday. These are my skincare updated version, which I am trying it. Everything is new. These brands are new. I am not regretting any single thing. Okay, I need to test 1, 2, 3. So these 3 I need to test. Apart from that, and body butter, the gold, these 3, these 4 I need to try. Hope you all like this video, and these are the best things I have done in my life for this year. I have purchased everything which is like natural and completely Ayurvedic related one. If you want anything related to these particular products, any review or updated version, just comment below. I'll be doing a detailed version of that also. And see you all in another interesting video, and take care of you all. God bless you all with a healthy life. Bye bye.